Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your drive and then also change the path letter. So this is very easy. Let's open up File Explorer and then drag this over here and we can find this PC, or you can just find the drive directly. So I'm going to go to this PC and then here is the T drive. I can right click on this and then go to Properties. Now under Properties, I do have the option to change the name right here. So let's change the name. So let's name it Tim Drive. And then go to apply, go to continue. You can see it's changed in here now. Now you can also change the path uh, letter as well. So let's go to search, type in disk management, or create and format hard disk partitions. Now when this opens up, we can go to our drive under here, right click on it. We go to change drive letter and paths. So you can go to change, and I'm just going to leave mine at T, but you can change it right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.